I'm Nurse Tracy, and I'm excited to talk to you today about proper tattoo tray setup. Follow along with me. So in this video, let's talk about proper tattoo tray setup. You always want to start any procedure by wiping down all of the surfaces that you're going to be using with a hospital grade disinfectant. In this example, I like to use Cavicide or Maticide. And make sure you're always wearing gloves and protecting your skin, because these wipes kill everything, which means they can potentially harm you over time. Then I'm going to throw away that glove and reapply a new glove, and I'm going to set up my tray. I always want to start setting up my tray by putting a waterproof barrier down. And lately I've been using this tip and trick that I got, which is a small garbage bag that you can neatly just rewrap and dispose of at the end of the procedure. But then I always want to put a dental bib down, which also has a barrier on one side to protect from any leak through, but may tear throughout the procedure, but just gives me a little bit of grip for the materials that I'm going to be putting down on my tray. Now I usually use some Q-tips to apply numbing and to apply aftercare. I use a pigment cup for my lidocaine, and then I use a pigment ring to hold my pigment. If I'm using a tattoo machine, I'm going to put down clipcord cover, I'm going to put down grip tape, and my tattoo needle. Then, of course, if I need to use any water during the procedure to clean, I'm going to cover that bottle with a plastic barrier wrap as well. And I need to put out all of the equipment, including my pigment, my numbing, my aftercare that I'm going to be using before I start working with my clients so that I don't cross-contaminate. Now, with my gloves on, I'm also going to wrap and prepare my tattoo machine with my needle on. And I always do this with gloves on because this is the last step before it touches the client's skin, so I don't want to do this part with bare hands where I could potentially cross-contaminate the client. Now that my tattoo machine is all wrapped and ready to go, I do a final check and make sure everything that I need is on the tray. And then I wash my hands and prepare my client, and we're ready to go.